Last night at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the basic filmmaker contest for the $300 that I'm going to give away in Amazon cards ended. Oh yeah, let me make sure I run my screen recorder so no one goes, well, we don't know if you actually picked the person using the software. Whatever. Uh-oh. Dude, come on. There's no internet connection. Maybe we should flip this little switch here and get an internet connection. You gotta be freaking kidding me. I recently upgraded to Windows 10 and apparently now it doesn't work on Wi-Fi, and it tells me that the wireless capability is turned off and that a network cable is not plugged in. You know, I used to have a Mac and I'm not even gonna start that war. Well, I attempted to do a big giant ramp up and woohoo on this thing and it failed. My internet failed and then the freaking device failed and then I had to reset my router and my freaking screen recorder failed. Like, let's just start this. Let's start over. All right, we're starting over. So let's do this giveaway. Like I said, let's not do a whole lot of preamble and waste your time waiting for the name poll, which now I have. So enough of that crap. Let's do it. By the way, I've never used this before, so just bear with me. Let's just pick the names. Yeah, see, I can't even see who entered and what, I could see what they did, but it doesn't tell me anything. So let's go over to winners. Whoa, it looks like the system checks out to see if you game the system or you try to like enter 5 times from a different thing or whatever. And apparently you guys are all honest and cool. So let's pick these winners. Let's see if this works. I don't know what I'm doing. 7 winners. Let's do it. Draw winners. How many winners do I want to draw? Let's do this. Let's draw one at a time. We'll do the $25, $25, $25, $25, the $50, the $50, and then the $100. Cool? Let's do it. Okay, let's pick one winner. Here we go. Draw a winner. Who's this? Georgie V. Georgie V in Sofia, Bulgaria gets a $25 gift card. Nice job! Woohoo! Let's pick another one. Pick one. Another $25 gift card. Draw. Clarissa Haiciano from Port Chester, New York, USA. $25 gift card coming by email, coming your way. Pick another one. Draw. Ronald Goldstein in Seaford, New York. Wait a second, New York and New York. What's going on here? Anyway, you get a $25 gift card coming to you in the email, and well done and congratulations. Let's draw another one. Draw. Samantha DeLeo in Prosper, Texas. You get a $25 gift card in the email coming your way. Let's draw the $50 gift cards. 2 more. Legendary Manny 548 in May, Penn, Jamaica. You got a $50 gift card coming in the email to you to go buy some cool stuff. Look, this is fun. I like, this is worth giving away $300 of my own money. This is fun. Next $50 winner, Theodore in, oh man, I can't even pronounce this. Cluj-Napoca, CJ, Romania. Sorry, dude. You got a $50 gift card coming in your email, coming your way. So I got 1 prize left for the $100 gift card. Man, I know what it's like. You know, I've done these contests and you watch them pick and you're like, and then you don't get picked and then you get all butthurt and you're like, dude, there's like 13,000 entrants. And I'll do more of these, so you'll have more chances to win. So don't get all upset if you don't get picked. The $100 gift card goes to, yes, Mabu Youssef in Milton Keynes, England, in the United Kingdom. I'm sending you an email for a $100 gift card, like within probably the next hour or something. Well done, guys. That's awesome. Glad you win. Maybe in a couple of months or something, I'll do another giveaway and you'll have more chances to win. Thanks for participating. Thanks for entering the contest. This was really fun for me, and we'll do it again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for playing. We'll see you next time. This is unbelievable. I just want to connect to my Wi-Fi. I mean, come on. Windows is now troubleshooting your problem. It's like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Windows detected there's no internet connection. That's bullshit. Oh, that's it. I'm done. Screw that. Screw you, Windows. Screw you, internet. I'm not doing no contest. Just to heck with everybody. I'm out of here. Just...